Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a Thor Windsport. I'm not sure what year it is. I just coming out in the shop to check out on the guy, see what's going on. And Oso's in the back there repairing it or replacing it, but he said, hey, the Schwintek broke on this thing. So we put in a whole new Schwintek. He's got this side all completed. He's back here working on the back of it. Let's go sneak up on him and see what he's doing. We're sneaking up on you.
Whoa.
Oh, so you're having to use a power and bypass it to jump it to get it to retract it in, huh?
Yeah, with all parts we decided to do this jumper wire, especially on this situation because we have
A double, oh yeah, 3 system.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Since we don't have more than 2 hands.
Yeah, that's true. So the tricks of the trade, right? So is that a little special jumper harness that you made yourself? Or is it one that...
With some spare parts.
With spare parts? Oh, hooked it up onto a switch. Oh, I see. Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Oh, and then jumper battery. Very cool. I'll zoom in. So as you can see, Oso's been here since like 2003. He's basically the master of everything. And he has every little gizmo and gadget. And so he's rigged himself up a switch on a battery that's hid out up there somewhere and able to run the room in so he can get it mounted in place. So he hasn't mounted this wall yet. And that's the main column. And then I see you already got the bottom all mounted and installed.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Support that with a jack.
And support it with the weight of the jack.
Yeah.
Cool. Did what actually caused it to break? Do you know? It just failed, or?
The front side, the bottom shoe gets stuck because it had a broken guy.
Oh, and so it damaged everything in it?
Yeah, so it wasn't moving, it was just tilting like that.
Yeah.
Front.
And so it got all the rail all bent up and damaged?
Yeah.
Very cool. All right. Well, awesome. Well, hey, everybody, if you haven't seen us, you can go through all of our YouTube videos, Facebook stuff. We got over 30 Facebook groups. And you'll see pictures of Oso from going clear back to like 2003. So, and then his daughter works here. Her name is Sam. She goes by Sam. And so you can probably see a lot of pictures and articles and videos on them. It's a family operation. And I'll pick that up for you, my friend. And it's family operation. And he's been doing this for a long time now. So stay tuned for more and check us out online. We appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. This is for all you Thor guys and for all you Schwintek people that are having problems with it.